Anyway guys, so now what I do is I'll check the thermostat as well, make sure that this thermostat's working, but it's kind of faded, so we just changed the batteries regardless for the new Tenent. As well as I'm going to go around and just take off all these light covers, the switch covers, receptacle covers, and throw them in the wash. And I'll just do like a first coat of any kind of drywall. Any damage on the walls, I'm going to have to take care of that. So typically there's, in each bedroom, we usually supply the curtain rods and stuff, but this tenant had her own. So I'll have to buy some of them and install them as well. All right, one down. Lots to go. After I finish taking these off, I'm going to change the batteries in the thermostat. And I'm going to put the first coat of mud on those holes around the windows. And just make a list of what I need. Need a new filter, any curtain rods. I already have the touch-up paint. Every one of our units is painted the exact same. So it makes it easy when we have to do touch-ups and things like that. I did lose one of those screws, I believe. Those things bounce, they bounce. Need a door stop. I don't know what it is with tenants and door stops. That's like top 3 things that just go missing. I don't know. Where do they go? Okay, so all the covers are off. Covers are off. Okay. Just going to change the batteries now in the thermostat. There you go. All good. Except for 73 in here. Oh no, 69. 69. It's hot. Okay. So now all I do is I get the end of a multi-tool or something. I'll scrape that. Just round in the dents like that. Makes it easier to fill. This is definitely one of the easier ones. Having good tenants is very much a perk of being in property management because they take care of it like it's their own. Which is nice. It just means that there's less to do when they leave. Depending, I guess, on how long they're actually here. Good. All right, I'm gonna go mix up some mud. I got some 45-minute hot mud stuff, so I'll mix some of that up and get back with you. All right, guys, I just have some mud here I'm gonna mix up. It's actually 90-minute mud, but I'm just gonna put this on. Then I'll have to make my list. I'll go pick up the stuff and I'll just come back tomorrow when I have the time to set. I don't need much. I'm not going to mix this wet either. I'm going to make it kind of like a little drier than traditional mud just so it sets up a little quicker. There's some pretty big holes. I don't want to get into taping and all that either, so. Just take your time. My goal is to have all this done, and then we just finish up painting, have everything else installed by tomorrow. It's not a bad unit at all. She's a very nice lady. I don't know if I said that. I probably did. As long as that mud even gets a little bit wet, it's fine. That's enough moisture for it to start setting. There you go. See, it's like, it's pretty thick, but that will dry quicker. And I'll be able to fill those bigger holes in the bedrooms there. Push it in. Just leave a little bit high. Just like that. That's all you need. Then when that dries, I'll come back tomorrow. I could sand that and paint. I'll get the others all filled up. I'll be back. I actually have some light bulbs with me, so I'll just change them out as well while I'm here. You can't have different colored light bulbs, right? So, yeah. These will actually work better in the bedroom too. It's not very bright in there. Let's do it. Where should I put you guys? is a different style. Wow. It's hot. All right, so I'll take a picture. I'll have to pick up a couple of those. All right, other than that, I have the drywall patches. I don't know if they're patches, they're just filled. All the holes are filled. So I'm gonna make a list of what I need here. I need 3 blinds, 48 inches. Need a doorstop. I'm gonna put those covers in the dishwasher before I leave. And I'm gonna get a couple filters for this one. What size are they? 1625. Okay. Turn off all the lights. And that'll be it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those into the dishwasher and get out of here, go pick what I need up for tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for the finish. Get it! Hey guys, just left Home Depot here. I just got the materials I need for tomorrow when I go back to that turn. Just want to say thank you to everybody for all the subscribers, all the good comments. Thanks for liking the videos too. It really helps. Never thought I'd really do YouTube, but you know, I'm here, so why not? The more I do it, the more comfortable I get, I guess. So I'll see you tomorrow back at that unit, and yeah, let's get it.